Good morning, student. How are you? I hope everyone is fine at home. Okay. Yesterday we have done chapter 2. Answer the following questions. Okay. We have done chapter 2. Answer the following question and some extra questions also. Today we again do some extra questions, question and answers. Okay. Extra question and answer of this chapter. Dear student, no need to write anything, just listen and understand. Okay, I will send you PDF, then you have to complete your work in CW notebook. First question, of this, what are germs? Okay, what are germs? Very small microorganism are called germs. Okay, very small microorganism are called germs. Then second one, name the different kinds of germs. Name the different kinds of germs. All of you know the answers as you have read this chapter. The different kinds of germs are first one, protozoa. Second, virus. Third one, bacteria. And fourth one, fungi. Okay. First question, what are germs? Very small microorganisms are called germs. Then second question, name the different kinds of germs. The different kinds of germs are protozoa, virus, bacteria and fungi. Third question, what are nutrients? Okay, what are nutrients? Essential substances present in the food Third question, what are nutrients? As you have read this chapter, you know the answer, everyone. Everyone knows the answer. Essential substances present in the food are called nutrients. Then next one, question number 4. Name the different types of nutrients present in our food. In the food. All of you know name of different types of nutrient. Write first letter always capital. The different types of nutrients present in the food are. First one, carbohydrates. Okay. Then second, fats. Third, proteins. Fourth, vitamins and minerals. Okay. Third question, what are nutrients? So essential substances present in the food are called nutrient. Next question, name the different types of nutrient present in the food. The different types of nutrient present in the food are carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrate is also known as energy giving nutrient. Fat is also known as energy giving nutrients. Protein is known as body building nutrients, and vitamins and minerals are known as protective nutrients. Okay. Question number 5. Write 2 examples of each of the. You have to write 2 examples. Write 2 examples of each of the following. Means you have to write to give 2 examples of each of the following. First one, carbohydrate. In which food item carbohydrate is present? Rice, yes. Sugar, potato. I am writing 3. You have to write only 2. Okay. Then second one, protein. In which food item protein is present? milk, fish, pulses. Okay. Third one, fats. Okay. In which food item fat is present? Oil, ghee, butter. Okay. Then fourth one, vitamin and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are present in fruits and vegetables, fresh fruits and vegetables, fruits and vegetables. Okay. You have to write two example of each of the following. First one is carbohydrate, rice, sugar, potato. Protein, which food item contain protein? Milk, fish, pulses. Fat, oil, ghee, butter. Then vitamins and minerals present in fruits and green leafy vegetables or in vegetables. Okay. Next question. Question number 6 of extra question. Matched the following. Okay, this is extra question. Match the following. Column A here, column B. Okay, you have to make two columns, column A and column B. First one, night blindness. It is written night blindness. Okay, you have to drop one line and write berry, berry. Okay. Third one, scurvy. Third one, scurvy. Fourth, rickets. Fifth one, anemia. And sixth one, goiter. Okay. Here A, deficiency of vitamin C. Write correct spelling of deficiency. While writing, pay attention on this spelling. Okay, write correct spelling of deficiency. Then deficiency of vitamin D. C deficiency of iodine. D. Deficiency of iron. Okay. Then E. Deficiency of vitamin A. F. Deficiency of vitamin B. We have already read this chapter. All of you know the answer. Okay. Night blindness. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Okay. So answer is one way E. Okay. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Now next disease, beriberi. Beriberi is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. So 2 way F. Okay. Then third one, scurvy. Scurvy is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. So 3 way A. Okay. Next one, rickets. Rickets is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. So 4 way B. Okay. Fifth one, anemia. Anemia disease is caused due to deficiency of iron. So 5 way D. 5 way D. Okay. Sixth, goiter. Goiter is caused due to deficiency of iodine. 6 way C. Okay. Pay attention. Once again, we will read this match the following. Match the following, column A and column B. First disease is night blindness. So night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. So 1 way E. Okay. Second, beriberi. Beriberi disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. So 2 with F. 2 with F. Scurvy. Scurvy disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Okay. 3 with A. 4. Rickets. Rickets is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. So 4 with B. anemia. Anemia is caused due to deficiency of iron. Okay, so 5 with D. Goiter. Goiter is caused due to deficiency of iodine. So 6 with C. Okay. Then next question number 7. Question number 7. Define the following terms. Okay. First one, disease. Okay, you have to define. Disease is a condition when our body does not function properly. Okay, disease is a condition when our body does not function properly. Then next term, modes of transmission. Okay, modes of transmission. Communicable diseases are passed from one person to another through different ways. Are called modes of transmission. Okay. And these are air, infected food and water, infected food and is a condition when our body does not function properly. Okay. Then mode of transmission. As communicable diseases are spread from one person to another person through different ways. Okay. Are called mode of transmission, and these are air, through infected food and water, through direct contact, and through insects. Okay. Next one. Third one. Define the following term. Is third one, vaccination. Okay. The act of injecting vaccine to protect against a disease. Okay. What do you mean by vaccination? The act of injecting vaccine to protect against a disease is known as vaccination. Then one more term, pasteurization. Heating milk at a high temperature and then cooling it quickly to kill harmful germs. Okay. Pasteurization means heating milk at a high temperature and then cooling it quickly to kill harmful germs. Is known as pasteurization. Okay. Next, extra question. It is given in your book, page number 30. Okay. Question E. Give the cause symptoms cure of these diseases. Okay. First one, night blindness. Night blindness. You also have to complete in your book also. Okay, this question you have to write in book also. Night blindness. Cause. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Due to deficiency of vitamin A. Second, symptoms. Symptoms. The affected person cannot see. The affected person cannot see in dim or dark light. Okay. Then cure. Third point. By taking diet rich in vitamin A. By taking diet rich in vitamin A. Or you can write example like papaya, carrot, milk, green leafy vegetable, okay. नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस किसके कारण होता है, उसके क्या लक्षण है और उसको कैसे क्योर कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम उसको ठीक कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Then symptoms. The affected person cannot see in dim light or dark light. जो भी affected person होगा उसको dim light या dark light में properly दिखाई नहीं देगा. Then cure by taking diet rich in vitamin A. अब विटामिन ए किन किन चीज़ों में प्रेजेंट रहता है, पपाया, कैरेट, मिल्क, ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल, एसिड आर द गुड सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन ए, आर गुड सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन ए. ओके. Okay. First one, night blindness caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Then symptoms, the affected person cannot see in dim light or dark light. How can we cure it? By taking diet rich in vitamin A. one. It is given in your book. Second one is scurvy. Scurvy is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Okay, it is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Then symptoms: bleeding gums, and swelling of joints, and swelling of okay. And how can we cure it? By taking diet rich in vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C. Sources of vitamin C: all citrus fruit. Citrus fruit like citrus fruits is a good source of vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C is present in all citrus fruit like lemon, amla, mango, okay, orange, okay. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Symptoms: bleeding gums and swelling of joints. How can we cure it? By taking diet rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is present in citrus fruit like amla, orange, okay, lemon, etc. Third one is rickets. Okay, third one is rickets. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. Okay, it is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. Symptoms: in this disease the bones become soft and they bend. Okay, बोन्स कैसी हो जाएंगी? सॉफ्ट हो जाएंगी और वो क्या हो जाएंगी? सॉफ्ट होने के कारण वो मुड़ जाएंगी. क्योर by taking diet rich in vitamin D, and sunlight is a good source of vitamin D. Sunlight is the good source of vitamin D. So one have to sit daily in sunlight because sunlight is a good source of vitamin D. Sunlight is a good source of vitamin Okay. In your book only 3, up to 3 is given. Now fourth one you have to write your own. Okay. Fourth one is, we have read already about very. Okay. It is not given in your book, but you have to write it. Fourth one, it is not given in your book, but you have to write. Okay. Fourth one, very. Is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. Okay. Is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. The person gets lethargic and pale. Okay. Person get lethargic and pale. Skin become dry and scaly. Okay. Then you have to take dietary change. How can we cure it? By taking dietary change. Rich in vitamin B. What are the sources of vitamin B? Milk, meat, pulses, cereals, okay, peas, etc. Okay. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. The person gets lethargic and pale, skin become dry and scaly. By taking diet rich in vitamin B, good sources of vitamin B, milk, meat, peas, pulses, etc. Okay. Dear student, today we have completed our chapter number 2, food and health, all extra question answers and answer the following question answers also. Okay. Dear student, you have to write in good handwriting and do neat and clean work. Don't do spelling mistake. अच्छे से लिखना है आपको, गलती नहीं करना है. कुछ बच्चे बहुत ही गंदी राइटिंग में लिख के सेंड कर रहे हैं, है ना. आप लोगों को धीरे धीरे लिखना है. जितना होता है आप धीरे धीरे लिखें, अच्छे से लिखें, गंदा वर्क नहीं करें, है ना. और जिनका जैसे वर्क होता है, अगर चैप्टर 1 आपका हो गया है कंप्लीट, एक एक चैप्टर करके आप मुझे मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे सेंड करें. ओके. यू हैव टू सेंड इट ऑन माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर फॉर चेकिंग. मैं चेक करूँगी कि आप लोग ढंग से वर्क कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. राइट करेक्ट स्पेलिंग, ट्राई टू राइट करेक्ट स्पेलिंग, है ना. You have to write in good handwriting. Okay, dear student, we have completed our chapter number 2 today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.